a wandering salamander. It uses the moist fog to help absorb oxygen directly through the skin. Wandering salamanders spend most of their lives high in the canopy. A female could be 200 feet above him in any one of these colossal trees. It's the human equivalent of 5 Empire State Buildings. And the redwood's fibrous bark makes it dangerous. Made it. These high-rise homes have everything a salamander needs. Not only do they absorb and retain the forest's moisture, and, yes, his perfect match. Another male got there first. Nothing for it but to keep searching. Another fern mat, and another couple. But there are more fern mats in other trees. And he has a trick. Using his tail as a rudder and spreading his arms and legs, he can steer through the air, safely gliding 200 feet down. Now, to renew his quest for a mate by scaling a different tree. He's not called a wandering salamander for nothing.